everyone, welcome back to Cook with Life AI. I'm so excited to show you a fresh recipe today.
Here are the fresh ingredients for today's recipe. Chicken, fish, rice. First, wash the chicken thoroughly to make sure it's clean and ready for seasoning. Now, season the chicken with salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and ginger. To make the chicken tender, boil it for a few minutes until soft and juicy. Now, fry the chicken in hot oil until golden brown and crispy. Next, clean the fish and season it with salt, pepper, and a little paprika. Fry the fish in hot oil until golden and crispy. Now, wash the rice thoroughly to remove excess starch and keep it fluffy. Cook the rice in a pot with water until soft but still firm. Heat oil in a wok and stir-fry carrots, peas, and sweet corn. Now add the cooked rice and gently mix it with the vegetables. And there you have it, a delicious meal from Cook with Life AI. Don't forget to subscribe.